In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily mute someone on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app. If you are getting too much content from a particular user on your Facebook timeline, you can in any time mute that user. The easiest way to do so is just once you find a post of that user on your timeline, just hit at these three dots and then tap at snooze for 30 days. It says you won't see posts from that user in your feed for 30 days. If you changed your mind, you can also hit at undo to reset the changes. Another way to do so is tap right here at three dots and then tap at manage your feed. Then tap at snooze, and that's where we can snooze content from multiple users in one place. So we can just scroll down until we find someone we would like to snooze, and then we can just tap at snooze button next to their names. Also, if you got a bunch of friends on your Facebook profile, you can search for them just in that way. Search for a user you would like to mute and then just mute them. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.